Here I have a 2012 GMC Acadia all-wheel drive. It's a Denali package. It does have a motor that knocks. I think it's got a bad motor, so make sure you pay attention. That is as is, and the motor is knocking. Overall, the body condition is good. So if you're a mechanic or you know a mechanic, you can sure talk to them about what you could possibly do with it to fix it, or lots and lots of good parts, because it is, like I said, third row seat. It's a Denali package, so it's loaded up, but the motor is knocking. I'll start it for you so you can hear it. Third row, dual sunroof, entertainment center, and then seat brackets broke right there. Got 220,000 miles on it. Start it up here. Now it will drive, and I'm not going to drive it too much because I don't want to overdo it on that motor, but it should drive on your trailer. Okay, should be able to hear that on the video. I think it's got 220,000 miles, like I said. 2012 GMC Yukon Denali. Just show you, I drove it right out here, but pulls forward, goes in reverse, and that's all I'm going to run, and I'm going to shut it off. So thanks for looking. Good luck bidding. Any questions you want to see it in person, give me a call. Otherwise, bid your price. Thanks for looking.